ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka Three Olives Restaurant bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
Uba Preston Song bulong noy lam bamenta jong ka Sang National People's Party ula kam ba ula mi no nak Sang Congress namar ba ula lap hiting kren jala dia ba Dr. Mukul sangma men ba udang long kum menteri rang ba jong ka jala ula Pynlong ka Secretariat kum ka private cooperation hawa kentho alor kini ka jingkeno jong ka Sang Congress ba ka sarkar MDA po ka jingalam jong ka NPP kam shem lala satya banwanra ya ka roy ka pa bat ka thungkam thungjam ya ki pat ba uba Preston loong ai bo upat ba hi un bishar bat un penchong nong rem hi halade ya ka e ka ba Sang Congress kala le men ba kadang bat ya ulakam senchar hapo ka jila hakis nem ki blalet no bat ya ka jing senchar ka sarkar MDA hakini ki ars nem shiteng.
How many years government has already ruled the state? You knew it well. How many years? I think our honorable Rajas Family and the president of the state Dr. Khalki has already clarified COVID. I am going to just, endorse the statement made by him. And let people know, as I said to you, just because you're sitting now in the opposition, without knowing the facts, blaming the government, but we're sitting idle or we're sleeping, I think that is totally wrong. So let them first go back to the time when they ruled the state. How many years they've been in power, how many years they've been in the government, I think everybody knows. So I think let them ask about the decision taken by the Congress-led government those years past. So let them explain. Let them explain. Don't just blame to the MDA government, because this is for the sake of blaming or the sake of allocation. I think I don't like that. You need to ask me first why I left Congress. And I've already told you very clearly, I left Congress because the policy and the leadership that time led by Mukul was the worst ever in my life as politician. That's why I left Congress. So you just understand that. So why should you ask this question? Because that time he converted Secretariat as corporation, as a private corporation. He belonged CM at the same time he treated himself as CMD. Okay, as CMD of the Secretariat. Whatever he says, if it is wrong also, we have to all just say yes. Okay, so this is what has happened. That's why I left Congress. Ngi mentang au pingi ni persyang kat bala kumno begin generate ya employment avenue jong ki ba jong ki kun samla ki jong ki kam jam haba ong generate ya employment means ndai government job. It's not a government job. Ndai bakin don ki investor khanang ba la don ka investment hapo ka jela jong that itself ka create ya ka employment ya ki beriu kicami, jadi kun samla jongi. Tadi ya baru kat kiba don apa kejalan mereka. Dia kata kata kau, number 2 lebih orang ba, don development again. Ya kata orang pi ngam snap, ya kicik keren nak yang coba Kongres. Nilai upai ba un besar. Lah kadon nak kam don kata development.